Chocolate.
Hmm.
Banana.
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 Again.
Banana. Banana. Orange. Orange. Purple. Chips.
Ay, can you hold the pencil properly?
Okay.
Oop, dinagyan.
Banana.
Oh, again.
Oh, not so fast.
Ginbutang ang galing.
Nana, banana.
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 Then, ano na?
Banana.
Blue. Adin ka na? Orange. Purple. Then, nag-mix na again. Erase tanan.
Oh.
Erase bala tanan. Kaya nag-mix mo na tanan, oh. Oh, again. You have to do it again. Oh. Okay. Tina. Erase tanan.
Guapa.
Erase tanan. Do it again. Start ka sa red.
Red is a big.
Oh. Red.
Red is a strawberry.
Next.
Pink is a blueberry.
Hmm.
Purple is a grapes. Green is a guava. Purple is a grapes.
Tapos na. Ang brown naman, brown. Tapos ang purple. Brown naman.
Purple for grapes.
Oo. Orange.
Orange. Then orange.
Yellow. The yellow.
Yellow gets banana.
Ah!
Banana.
Kabalo ko mo.
Banana. Yay!
Okay, next. Ano na, Je? Sleepy na ang iban. Sleep na ta?
No, I
Ay, don't you sleep. Ano ikaw, Ilin? Sleepy na? Go to sleep na? Okay, good night.
Mama.